how to edit game booster pop-up apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, scroll down and click on edit pop-up apps. After click on edit pop-ups app, click on add apps. So if you want to edit game booster and if you want to add apps, so you will add apps from here. So click on app, you will see apps is add and click on done. If you want to remove app, and you will see click on this minus icon, and after click on this minus icon you will see apps is remove. If you want to add, so click on apps is add. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can edit game booster apps pop-up apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.